We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
Okay, so we just got changed into Burberry. We just had a Versace inspired shoot. Anastasia is inside trying to get dressed. Trying to wear what?
Air Forces on.
Okay, she said I should put on my Air Forces. Wow, she's my stylist now. Okay.
on a run from a given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the roads.
So we just got dropped off by our beautiful butler, Rio, and we are currently on our way to the restaurant. We can see it right now, and it is underwater. So that means if you don't see a continuation after this video, I didn't make it. It wasn't funny? No. Alright, cool. So I'll turn it around. So that's where we're going. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's that place. Yes, it's going to be under that place. And yeah, Anastasia, can you go to the front so I can create some B-roll? That's it. That's right. Yeah, I like. Yeah. Now I'm going to put it in slow motion now. No, you don't have to work in slow motion. Nice. That's delicious. Anastasia, they have some pre-drinks for you. Thank you very much, sir. God bless you. Delicious. Thank you. Okay.
Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind? She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie, Cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. Cause I'm running with these same.
I will be your guide. So my name is Rashad. I will be your guide and you need to follow behind me.
Okay.
One of the jet ski can be on the right side and one of the jet ski can be on the left side. Okay. And keep the safety distance of 50 meters in between two jet skis.
Okay.
Don't get close. In every side we will go like a triangle like this. Okay. One jet ski here, one jet ski here, and one jet ski. Keep the safety distance in every side, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
50 meters.
50.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we just got out the jet ski right now. Best experience ever. I prefer these to fine dining or anything. This is like real life experience. Anastasia almost fell, but she did not. She's a strong woman. And yeah, I'm so excited. I'm doing this again tomorrow. Tomorrow, hopefully. This is a great experience. Let me turn my camera around. Great experience. Now we're having cold water. Anastasia is talking to the guy to, you know, explain how she almost fell off. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, so how do I start this vlog? Should I just start it?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, we're currently on the Hurawalhi Island and we are going to be going to a private island today. It's called a Dream Island Experience. It's going to be just two of us. They're going to take us there on a boat, abandon us, and then go away, give us a bowl of champagnes, biscuits, and some food, and leave us for 2 hours. Now, I'm scared because I cannot really swim. So if I piss Anastasia off, she can swim off the island, but I cannot. So I'm gonna be on my best behavior. Anastasia, say hi to the people.
Hi.
Hi. Okay guys, see you on the island. Bye now. Whoa. I'm gonna jump. Whoa!
You can call this number.
What? Which number?
The first number dial list.
Okay, cool.
Maldives, so.
In case of any issue, I can call you.
Yeah.
Are you sure I can call you?
Yeah. I'm not picking.
I can't swim, bro.
Then message life jacket. Oh, and then if you're planning to go like swimming on it, just please don't try it in the sandbank near the deep blue area.
Okay.
Always stay at the strong current.
Okay, the sky blue ones, yeah?
Yeah. Except that you can go anywhere around. In this area, it's not that deep. Like
It's not that deep.
Yeah, it's like this level.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much. Please don't forget me. Don't forget me. I can't swim. Don't forget me. I can't swim. No. Don't forget me. Be on time. Bye, guys.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. dance the night away, I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.